Hello people, this is Reynaldo Martinez from UBX Cloud. We are going to see a small demonstration of our virtual machine management portal. Okay, this is the web interface. Okay, after you log in with your account, of course, that has access to specific resources from your cloud environment with UBX. The first thing you will see here is the dashboard with some statistics about the resource usage for your virtual machines. You will see here how many virtual cores, how many virtual memory, how much virtual storage, and the IOPS, the IO operation per seconds per hour that your virtual machine has been getting from the cloud. You can see here the read and write information. Okay, so the first thing you of course want to see is your virtual servers and what can you do with your virtual servers. Click here on virtual servers and you will see the list of virtual servers you have in your cloud. You'll notice that most of them will show you the IP. In some cases you will see no IP. This is because for the moment the portal requires that the VMware tools are installed in the virtual machines in order to show the current IP or IPs that are installed in the virtual machine. Okay, so of course this machine has been left intentionally without the VMware tools in order to show this information. What you will see here is basically the IP address, the name, the disk size, the total disk size. No matter how many disks you have, you will see the total storage. If you have 3 disks that in total are 65 gigabytes, you will see here the total. Okay, the total RAM, the compute zone. In case you have machines with different compute zones, we have at UBX multiple compute zones, and the virtual CPUs in your machine. Here you can do basic operations like stop or start the virtual machine. This will shut down, this will start. Also, if you click here in this little drop down, you will be able to reboot or shut down the virtual machine. If you click in a specific machine, you can do more actions. Let's see. Let's click here. Here you see that the cloud has identified this machine as a CentOS. You can close the messages that you see there. Just click here in the little recycle bin icon. Here you can again on, off, or reboot the machine. You will see some statistics about the networking, but you can do more stuff. You can do some specific action for networking, storage, or console here, or other actions in the tools panel. Again, click on the drop down and you can reboot, shut down, set a root password if you want to enter to the console using a root password or a specific credentials, a user and a password. Then when you enter to the console, this system will input the credential for you. Here, one of the most important things is the snapshot management. Here you can create a snapshot, just put a name, won't do it, or if you have a list of snapshots, you can delete them or revert to that specific snapshot. Let's go back to overviews. Clicking here, you can go back to the properties of the machine, see the specific CPU utilization in a specific time frame. If you have a time zone, if you are in that time zone different than the server, you can click here. You can see the instant, the current utilization, and the historic information. In networking, you can see the network information here, so you can check the interface utilization. Again, you have the latest days and a more historic data. You can see here from October 27 today to August 30. In the storage panel, also you can see the disk. If you have multiple disks, you will see the disk and this data store inside our virtual network, where that disk is created. Okay, you can see the IOPS for this disk, and finally, here you can connect to the console and do whatever you want to do there. So this is a basic utilization of our portal. Another, of course, this is for a limited account that can only see the virtual servers you have currently installed. In more in the future, we will be allowing more actions, like allowing you to create your own virtual servers from specific templates or recipes. This is for future implementation. For now, you can do basic operations on your virtual machines. Here also you can see your cloud utilization, more statistics about CPU utilization, your reads and writes, the bandwidth, send and receive. So you can get some historic information. See, I want to see October 14. Then we will see October 14 here. Let's apply it. Oh, we have no statistic for that day. Maybe this machine was not even created that specific day. But this is the way it works. You can if you want to go to the past, you can do it that way. You want to go back to now. You are back now. So this finish our basic demonstration of our virtual management portal. More demonstration with more advanced functions will come in the short future. For now, this is something to start. This is a help of how to use your portal in order to do basic operations over your virtual machines with UBX Cloud. Thank you for listening. I wish you a great day and goodbye.